ready. We must come 2,000, 200. We are ready. Yes. Take 20 time video. Take 20 time. We are ready.
Somalian Zabo, my friend, ready to fight the Dudula. Come even 2,000, we are ready. We not afraid of nobody. Dudula think they can push us out, but we here to stay. Our brothers and sisters come from Somalia to make better life. We work hard, we contribute to community. Now Dudula want to chase us away. No way, listen up, all Somalians in South Africa. We stand together, we fight together. Dudula try to intimidate us, but we not backing down. They say go back to our country, but this our home now too. We build businesses, we raise families here. We have rights just like everyone else. Dudula think they tough, but they don't know Somali's strength. We survive war, famine, long journey to get here. You think we scared of some local thugs? We laugh at their threats. Come 100, come 1,000, come 2,000, we ready for all of them. Our community is united. We protect each other. Dudula try to attack one Somali shop. They find whole neighborhood waiting for them. We not violent people, but we defend ourselves when pushed. Dudula better think twice before they mess with us. To all my Somali brothers out there, stay strong, stay alert. Don't let Dudula provoke you, but don't run away either. We have right to be here, to work, to live in peace. If they want fight, we show them real fight, not with weapons, but with our unity and determination. Dudula claim they fighting for South Africans, but they just criminals. They steal, they loot, they destroy. We Somalians build up communities, create jobs. Who really helping this country? Not Dudula with their hate. It's us immigrants working hard every day. South African government need to stop Dudula. These xenophobic attacks bad for everyone. We all suffer when there's violence, but if government won't protect us, we protect ourselves. We're not going anywhere. This our home now too, and we fight for it. To Dudula I say this, you don't scare us. You think you tough? Come face real warriors. We survive things you can't imagine. Your threats mean nothing. You want us gone? Too bad. We here to stay. You can't chase away 2 million Somalians. We too many, too strong. All Somalians listen up, be ready, but be smart. Don't start trouble, but don't run from it either. Stick together, watch out for each other. Dudula tried to divide us, but we stay united. They can't beat us if we stand as one. Remember why we came here, for better life, for our families. We work hard, we follow laws. We have same rights as anyone. Dudula have no right to tell us leave. This not their country alone. South Africa for everyone who contribute, who work hard. If Dudula want war, we give them war. Not with guns, but with our minds, our unity. We outsmart them, we outwork them. They can't match Somali hustle. While they busy hating, we busy building, growing stronger every day. To my people I say, hold your heads high. We not criminals. We not thieves. We honest people trying to make living. Don't let Dudula make you feel ashamed. Be proud of who you are, where you come from. We bring good things to this country. Dudula think they can intimidate us with their marches, their loud talk. But we seen real war, real suffering. Their threats like child's play to us. We not impressed, we not scared. Let them come 100. 1,000, 2,000, we ready for all of them. South Africans who support us, thank you. You know we not here to steal jobs or cause trouble. We here to work, to build better future. Together we make this country stronger. Don't let Dudula's hate poison your minds. We all Africans, we should help each other. To government officials listening, do your job. Protect all people in this country, not just some. Dudula breaking laws, but you do nothing. If you won't stop them, we have no choice but defend ourselves. Don't blame us when things get ugly. Somalians everywhere in South Africa, stay strong, stay united. We faced challenges before. We face them again. Dudula not first group to hate us, won't be last. But we survive, we thrive. They can't break our spirit, can't chase us away. Remember our history, we descendants of warriors, survivors. Our ancestors faced much worse than Dudula. We carry their strength in our blood. No group of thugs can defeat us. We too smart, too tough, too determined. Dudula think they fight for South Africa, but they destroy it. Their hate, their violence, it hurt everyone. We Somalians bring business, bring hard work. We make positive change. Who really love this country more? Those who build or those who destroy? To my brothers running shops, be careful but be brave. Don't let them scare you into closing. That's what they want. Keep your doors open, keep serving community, but be ready to defend yourselves. Have plan, have people you can call if trouble comes. All Somalians must stick together now. No fighting among ourselves. No betraying each other for quick money or favor from Dudula. We stand as one or we fall apart. Our unity, our greatest weapon against their hate. Dudula say we steal jobs, but look around. Who working hardest jobs? Who opening shops where others afraid to go? We create opportunities. We don't steal them. We make our own way, build from nothing. That's Somali spirit. 2 young Somalians born here. Don't forget your roots. Be proud of your heritage. Learn our language, our culture, but also be proud South Africans. This your country too. Don't let anyone tell you different. You belong here. As much as anyone. Dudula think they can erase us, but they don't know our strength. We like seeds. The more they try bury us, the more we grow. Their hate make us stronger, more united. They can't stop us from succeeding, from building better future here. To all listening, we not here for fight. We here for peace, for work, for better life. But if Dudula push us, we push back. We not weak, we not cowards. We ready to defend our right to be here. Come 100, come 2000, we waiting. We not going anywhere. This our home now too, and we here to stay.